everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryan and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is called Boy by, I don't know how to pronounce the name, okay? So please forgive me if I pronounce it wrong. It's from Ayelle. Alright, so let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one, close feet together, facing diagonally from your left. You're gonna go 1, 2, hit on 3, hug on 4, 5, open on 6, nut on 7, 8. Alright, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, hit on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. So from 8, you're gonna go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and you're gonna go up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Roger that? Let's try one more time. 7, 8, go 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and go up on 5, 6, 7 on 8. Good job. Let's try first and second. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Alright, next, after 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you're gonna go jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab here on 5, 6, 7, 8. Away. 8. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, then walk on 5, 6, 7. Look back on 8. Alright, simple as that. Let's continue that to 8 straight. Alright, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's try first, second, third, and fourth. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Copy? Alright, next from here, this is 7, 8. You're gonna go step on 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Simple as that. Alright, one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's go on. From here, just walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down on 6, 7, and 8. Alright? Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, up on 7, 8, and up on 1, 2, 3, change. Alright. Remember, you're gonna flip your head on 7. Let's try. Let's do it. Let's cut in 1, 8, 1, 8. So from here, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, up on 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, you got that right. So from here, 1, 2, 3, down on 5, down on 6, 7, and 8. You got that right? Then you're gonna go continue down, put your weight on your right shoulder. So this is 1, 2, 3, straight on 4, down on 5, 6, flip your head on 7, 8, then go on up 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's try one more time. Continue. Let's do it slowly from here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Up on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Down on 5, 6. Flip on 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright everyone, let's try from the beginning, alright? From first to the recovery. Here we go. You do slowly. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I said slow. 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, up on 5, 6, 7. Slow walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Lift on 8. Alright, so from down, you're gonna lift on 7. Don't forget that one. Alright, good job. Thanks so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comments on our videos. Alright? I'm gonna see you in our next video. Bye bye.